Welcome to today's exciting lecture on hypothalamus physiology based on the renowned Guyton and Hall textbook of medical physiology. In this session, we will explore the fascinating functions of the hypothalamus, a critical brain region that orchestrates a wide range of physiological processes. Let's begin by introducing the hypothalamus, located at the base of the brain just above the pituitary gland. This tiny yet powerful region plays a central role in regulating numerous bodily functions. Hypothalamic nuclei. Actually, we should know that the hypothalamus comprises several nuclei, each with specific functions. So notable ones include the paraventricular nuclei (PVN) and the supraoptic nucleus, which are crucial in controlling hormone secretion. We should know individually the functions of these hypothalamic nuclei. And in neuroendocrine functions, we should know that one of the most vital roles of the hypothalamus is its command over the endocrine system. It produces, releasing, and inhibiting factors that influence the anterior pituitary gland's hormone secretion. In temperature regulation, the hypothalamus acts as the body's thermostat, maintaining body temperature through thermoregulation. It orchestrates heat conservation and dissipation mechanisms to keep our core temperature stable. And another intriguing function of the hypothalamus is its involvement in appetite regulation. Different hypothalamic nuclei collaborate to control food intake, responding to peripheral hormones and central pathways. In thirst regulation and water intake are intricately controlled by the hypothalamus. It interacts with osmoreceptors and volume receptors to maintain fluid balance within the body. The hypothalamus also plays a vital role in establishing our sleep-wake cycles, in synchronizing with the circadian rhythm. The suprachiasmatic nucleus within the hypothalamus is the key player here. And in this slide, we should know the autonomic nervous system regulation under the control of the hypothalamus. It influences both sympathetic and parasympathetic responses, impacting our fight or flight and rest and digest states, respectively. And in stress responses, so we should know that this axis, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, is essential for our body's response to stress. We will explore the release of corticotropin releasing hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormone during stress. In emotional and behavioral control, the hypothalamus is intricately connected to the limbic system, playing a role in our emotional and behavioral responses. We should know the reproductive hormones are controlled by the hypothalamus, particularly gonadotropin releasing hormone. This hormone regulates menstrual cycles and sexual behavior. In the clinical realm, we will examine disorders associated with the hypothalamic dysfunction, such as hypothalamic tumors, obesity, and hypothalamic diabetes insipidus. And we will also consider the impact of hypothalamic lesions on various physiological functions. So that concludes our insightful journey into the physiology of the hypothalamus. Understanding its complexities enables us to appreciate the intricate web of bodily functions orchestrated by this small yet mighty region. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Stay curious, keep learning.